let's pack up for vacation. My kids have gone since, and yeah, so I'm going to go meet them. I'm not going to be taking too much time. So yeah, I have my underwear. I'm going to be wearing this one tomorrow. Here's my PJ. Yeah, my pajama, the PJ that I'm going to be wearing. I'm wearing my bra tomorrow. This one is going. My slippers. I'm going to be carrying this, my new bag. Don't mind the messy best. Okay, we'll come back and visit. So, I have my bag. Yeah. So, I have my tickets, and my passports, and my purse. Only this bag can I can travel with this, but I just want to carry my hand luggage, my carry-on. We're not taking too much. Then yeah, my purse is in there. Okay, my charger. So it's carrying on. We're not going to be taking pen. Because if not, they're going to throw it away. Is that? And maybe this one to sleep. So let's get it ready. So I don't know if I should take this or the black one. Hair bonnet. My hair bonnet. I think I'll take that because that one is a little bit free. Don't have to afraid though. But this one looks small. So I have my wig ready. I'm just gonna wig. When you're traveling, you have to get some cash. So I have $1 here. This is my $1. $1, $2, $3, $4, $15. Eh? There's $5 inside. Oh boy, $5. Eh? Damn, $10. $5, another $5. Dang, another $5. Dang, it's $1. Oh my goodness, $50. Dang, I make move inside though. I don't see what it is here. I don't know $1 you're there. Why should I put $50 in there? And this for $5. Wow, this is $1. Yeah, I don't expect this. It's like another $50. There. Let's see. Let's see. If we will still get look, $1. What is a $1? My purse is in there. Okay, my charger. I put my underwear in there just now, right? Okay. What's okay? Not in the inside. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. That's where we go. We're ready. We're set. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Okay. All set. Yeah, that's it. Oh, where's my snacks? Yeah, I need to get my snacks. So we're taking this. So, Tiara back. Come and get your beautiful bags. So we still have the brown of this. This one you feel carry full person inside. So I have my snacks. My peanuts. I love peanuts. I think I should hold this one in my hand, but just put it in the bag though. My wallet. Where's my dollar? Okay. I'm set.